Hey there everyone! Before the final episode starts, I have an announcement for all my out there you want to see it. Okay. Here goes nothing. The announcement is that 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 3 will be coming on December 15, 2023. The same day of the newest Wonka film. Yep. It's a happy thing that for sure. Anyway, please enjoy the final episode everyone. Action.
Woof woof. Hello my friends. And welcome to the final episode of 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 2. And as you could see, Chase from Total Drama is standing right there.
Yep. That's me. Now, who wants to battling me out? Ha?
Well Chase, you're gonna have to find out. And now, it's time for Cake at Stake with Rita Beckett. Rita Beckett, take it away.
I'm on it, Shadow Project's dog. Alright guys, here we go. To the cake at stake.
And now go we shall see it.
Okay, guys, I got the cheesecake snack bars that I'm holding it. So, the judges had come to decided. The person who get 10,000 votes is Milan Flair.
All right.
And here's your cheesecake snack bars for all your hard work.
Wow. Thanks. Well, I'll be the final contestant. See ya.
Well, that stinks.
Yeah. It just like the KFC.
And now, the show. Back to you.
Thank you Rita Beckett. And now, here's the contestants that give 1,000 votes. It's Milan Flair.
Yep. That. Esme. I got 1,000 votes.
Well, Milan Flair, it looks like you're gonna lose for that.
Oh, I will. You are gonna lose. Ha.
Okay Milan Flair and Chase, you two are gonna guess that character. And then, you'll be the champion. So, are you ready Milan Flair and Chase?
Yes.
For my mother.
Okay you two. Can you guess this character look like? He's a woodpecker, he laughs a lot, he's goofy, and he's from Woody Woodpecker.
Hey. I know the answer. It's Woody Woodpecker.
Congratulations Milan Flair. You won the 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 2. And yep. It's Woody Woodpecker from Woody Woodpecker. Congratulations. Yep. It's me y'all. I'm Woody Woodpecker. Sup man.
Cool. I won. Yay. What did I win?
Woof woof. Milan Flair my friend, your prize is. You'll get $1 million to go to Disneyland. Go now.
Wow. $1 million to take a trip to Disneyland? Wow. I'm going to be rich. Yeah. All right. Disneyland, here we come.
Well, second place isn't so bad. That's cool.
Yep you did. So enjoy Milan Flair, you are going to be rich. Anyway, thank you all for watching for 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 2. Don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Well, until next time. This is Shadow Project's dog saying. Signing off. Farewell everyone. Woof woof.